More than 3 million Australians suffer chronic pain on a daily basis, but there are solutions and many of them are drug-free. Plenty of people are using tiny portable devices that treat pain by sending electronic currents through the skin. We asked an independent doctor to assess 3 products on the market.
It's nice to be alive again.
Glenn Beckerton is a happy man. At 75 years of age and suffering chronic pain in his knees, Glenn started using this portable device called a HIDOW.
This just fits in my pocket and I can wander around anywhere. I'm sold. It's good. Marvellous thing.
The device sends 120 electrical pulses per second through the skin in areas of pain.
It just works as a means of making the brain switch off the pain.
Glenn says it's been the difference between a walking stick and a wheelchair.
I was a sceptic, but now it has turned my life right round. It's made it much more wonderful.
HIDOW comes with attached massage pads. The pressure can be adjusted depending on the stage of treatment. Its manufacturer claims that the electrical pulses increase circulation, relax muscles, provide relief for spasms and can create more rapid healing for injured areas.
It's always worth trying them before you go on to sort of injections and other types of invasive treatments.
Dr Len Rose is a pain relief specialist. He says the HIDOW is based on the principle of a TENS machine. TENS, which stands for transcutaneous electronic nerve stimulation.
And we believe that TENS works by blocking some of those pain impulses, by producing a state in which the brain is basically fooled into thinking that there's no pain there.
Dr Rose has been using the technique on his patients for more than 20 years.
It treats a whole range of things from soft tissue injury to joint pain to sciatica to shoulder problems and elbow problems, sports injuries, work-related injuries.
The main difference now is you can do this treatment on yourself at home and at a much cheaper price.
Are there any side effects?
No, there are no side effects. If you turn the machine up too high, it can hurt a little bit. It causes muscle contraction.
The HIDOW sells for $297 and is approved by the Therapeutic Goods Administration. But it's not the only product of its kind on the market.
The NeuroTrack TENS treats subacute injuries and chronic injuries.
Josh Taylor from Sports Tech distributes the cheaper NeuroTrack device.
It's a non-invasive, drug-free treatment product and it's only $124.
Dr Rose says it works in the exact same way as the HIDOW.
And it's just as effective as any of the more expensive machines that I used to supply to patients that used to cost up to $600.
E-Cell's the best thing I ever bought. It's changed my life.
Heather Libano was facing 2 knee replacements before using a pain relief device called E-Cell.
I have osteoarthritis in both knees and I couldn't live. I couldn't shop. My legs were seizing up while I was shopping and I'd have to carry a walking stick.
The E-Cell uses electromagnetic energy and claims to stimulate natural repair and regeneration by directly communicating with cells.
Even though it's not curing my osteoarthritis, it's keeping up with the wear and tear that's produced from the daily exercise that I do.
The E-Cell uses different technology from the HIDOW and NeuroTrack, and it's also more expensive at $495.
For the vast majority of the people that I see, a TENS machine is the most appropriate form of treatment. So whether it be a NeuroTrack or a HIDOW or one of the numerous brands of TENS machines that are on the market, as long as it's been recommended and properly investigated before the patient buys it.
Oh, get onto it straight away. It's bound to do you some good, really.
And Dr Rose says you should consult your GP before trying any of those products. There's more information on that story at our ACA website.